or CHF in whatchamacallit, in TradingView?
Yeah, in crypto. Try to see.
Oh, I'm like, what the? You see, I need to go back to bed or something. All right, so let's see what happened. What time was that? It was about 12:30. Let's see what happened on CHF by the hour. Sheesh, can't see nothing. So why do I have all these markings?
Ooh. You have a beautiful screen right there. All
I
sorts
know,
of
I can't
colors.
even see my
Got so many colors.
Sheesh. Okay, let me try and see. So it was 12:30. So my little blue lines across are every hour. So no, is it every hour, one day? This must be one day lines. Okay, my bad. What's today? The second? Okay, second. All right. So 12:30. Where is 12:30? This is 12. And it was a call or a put. Okay. I put in the which area? 324, 321. Is that 12:30? No, it's not 12. That was at 12:30. I'm just trying to do my own research. I'm wondering what the heck. Doesn't look right. But anyway, so you entered at what number?
322.
Okay, what time did you enter? After receiving the,
yes,
at what time did you get in?
Immediately it reached there because I've been watching it like a hawk.
Okay, but what time did you, if you look at your entry, what time did you officially get in?
Let me check.
Because if you received it at 12:30,
I was.
So we get to the very end of this mountain, you are rewarded a golden truck and
let's see. Why do I have so many lines? I don't like this. While she's looking, let me delete them. They're getting on my nerves.
So many colors.
I don't know. They're not going to make one.
Did you find what time?
No.
If you just click on your
history,
then you look for that particular currency pair.
It was, let me tell you what I 208? No. It's not 2.
That doesn't sound right. You waited 2 hours before you went in? I don't think so.
Is there here start time?
It would be.
Yeah, it should be.
39.
So you went in 2 hours later. Does that answer your question?
No, wait, it wasn't 2.
It
wasn't 2. It was 12:39.
On the rocks, it's not very good.
Oh, it was 12:39?
Yeah, because I remember I had like one case.
Shove it in there.
And what time did you, how much time frame did you put for the trade? Did you do the 15 minutes?
Yes.
Okay.
So I have some insight on that trade.
Yeah.
I took it.
Oh, good. Okay.
Yeah. And I don't know if it's my broker is kind of spiky, but as soon as they send that trade, It didn't even take more than 5 minutes before my broker got spiked up to, what was my entry zone? Did you see it?
It was
321 to 324.
So mine, if you look at my screenshot that I sent out,
Mhm.
I got in, did I send that one? Yeah, there it is.
Let's see.
I got in at 316. What was the entry zones? 20 what?
320. Oof, 320 what? Oh, I even lost it again.
321.
321 was on the lower end.
Yeah, so I hit mine at 316 as soon as it spiked up. If you look at my screenshot on Telegram,
Mm-hmm.
you see I was able to strike in at 316.
And what time did you get in though?
What do you mean? Minutes?
No. What time did you enter the market? Like
As soon as
soon-
they send it, I want to say, honestly, I don't even think it was 5 minutes in.
I also noticed with my broker, wakitutumia, they're spiking like too fast. Okay, great.
Yes.
Notification.
Yep.
This week and last week, yeah.
Hard, got a little
But-
hard.
what
But that
brokers are
trade-
you using?
I think we can
But
do
that
Is it
trade-
Speed Forex.
I don't want to go too fast. That's
Okay.
why
Red
You know-
Forex.
through it. So maybe go a little slower this time.
That trade did hit that area though. Because when I looked at mine, when I got it into 316, it wasn't even, I don't think it was even 5 minutes in after they send it. It did hit that 320 whatever. Mine, I was only able to get it at 316 and I was able to clear. 216. 316 and I was able to,
316.
yeah.
And then, but you didn't put the 15 minutes because you're already 5 minutes late. Is that what it is?
No, I put in 5 minutes for mine because those trades you can take 5 or 15
Or
minutes.
15,
For me,
right.
I did in 5 minutes.
So yeah, so I guess it just depends on what time you get in, whatever time it comes to your phone. If you have a chance to look at TradingView to see at what point it's at and if it's trending the direction you want it.
Mhm.
Now, let's say it came in at what time? 12:32, and you're looking at your phone at 12:30, maybe 12:42 or something like that. And you're like, oh my God, let me see if I can get it, right? So you go in the TradingView and see if it's still trending down. And then since you're only left with about really 5 minutes because you got this message came like 10 minutes ago with a 15-minute idea, I would just shoot for 5 minutes. You gotta keep going on demo and practicing, see if that's gonna work for you. So if you received it 10 minutes late, okay, enter 5 minutes. If you received it 5 minutes late, enter 10, whatever is left of the 15-minute window.
Oh, okay.
And then,
Just just keep trying that way, and then you'll understand. It depends also on who's sending the messages sometimes, but
yeah, because also the Bit Forex, they're spiking their numbers so much.
yeah.
Like once they said it, by the time you click, ishapita, inakupea another number.
Oh yeah,
That's
like
interesting.
there
It
was
must be
one
a
I
bit
checked
Forex and,
today.
Mm.
I can't remember which one it was. The entry was like at 4 something, and then by the
Mhm.
time I opened immediately, it had already gotten to 623.
By
I
the
was
time
like,
I know.
oh my god, yes.
Yeah,
it's giving you a different
sometimes-
number.
Yeah, I think for the last 2 weeks, the market has been cray-cray. So you kind of have to be really use minimum risk and look at your TradingView. They usually will send you a TradingView screen. Let me just share my phone real quick so that you can see. I mean, you already know, but for the sakes of people who are not here, let me show them where that TradingView is so they can know. Okay, so you get your trade idea sent to your phone. For example, Euro odd. Actually, I did take this. Did I take this one? Anyway, Euro odd, and then it will show you, if you scroll down, it will show you the TradingView link, right? So you click on the TradingView link and you should be able to open, it will show you what they're expecting the market to behave like. So if you open it up on your phone, how do you do it? If you widen your screen up, you'll see, okay, this is how they want me to get in between the 632 or whatever numbers it is. for 5 minutes or something like that. So you have to always look at that if you have time, if you're able to, so that you know if it's going the direction that you want. Another way to do it is also have TradingView already on your phone, so that when you click on TradingView, all you're doing is going with the chart at the bottom left, and you're looking for, on the bottom left, you look for, say for example, odd CHF. You click on odd CHF, then it will show you, okay, what's going on within that time frame that it has been sent. So you know that, okay, I can go in. I'm not too far, you know. Usually, I kind of remind myself, like sometimes the candles are really like 3 of them. So if those 3 5-minute candles are gone, I'm not gonna go in. You know, the chances of losing is higher. Make sense?
Which 3 candles?
From where the market starts selling or where the market starts buying.
Oh, okay.
So for example, like in this one, it started somewhere around between 200 and 300, right? You see that big candle, the red one?
Yes.
Yeah, so that's like your first candle, which is fine. Oh, these are 15 minutes. Sorry, I have to change that at the bottom left. So 5 minutes. Oh, shit. Okay. So for example, let's pretend it is buying. So if you look down, you see it started buying somewhere around 6,000 and something, right? So that's your one candle, your second 5-minute candle. By the time the third candle came in, it was already selling again. So if it has passed my one candle, I usually will not go in because I don't know what the market is gonna do. That's why they insist on advising you to either take 5 minutes or 15 minutes, because that way you kind of have some leeway with the 15-minute. Make sense? So if you took like a 15-minute trade, if you entered at the beginning of this candle, you might actually lose, depending on the instance of when you entered the market. So I tend to take 5-minute trades, FYI, but you know, you can still take 15 minutes. Some people actually take 15 minutes. There's some guys here I know that take 15 minutes and they do really well with the 15 minutes. So it just depends. Like we said, just keep practicing on demo and see what is working for you. Some people even do less than 5 minutes and it still works for them. So, yeah, that's what I can suggest. So everybody knows how to get TradingView on their phone, right? You just download it, download TradingView. So that if you just have, you know, it's 1 second. All you're doing, I'm opening the swap options. It's telling me odd, euro odd, go for 5 minutes. Look at the 5-minute time frame. The candles should be in the 5-minute time frame. Go in between 380 and 400 for a call. Of course, it's best to buy when it's lower so that you can make profit. So I'm looking for an area of 380 to get in for 5 minutes. And then of course you come here to your picture. If you don't want to click on that link, you look at it. What are they saying? You know, you just kind of visualize. Some people are visual, so you can come and look at the visual, or you can come to your TradingView and see the live, what's going on live in the market. Any question? Make sense?
Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, all righty. Where am I at? Where am I? Oh, okay. Okay. Do you guys see the screen? Okay. I thought I'd lost you guys. Okay, so let's see if we can catch an 8:30 trade, and let's see how we can do a shortcut kind of charting. Last time, I don't know if there's any new person here. There's no new person by now. I think all y'all are professionals by now.
Oh my God, it is a profession.
Professional
Niambie
traders.
tu.
Anyway, so if you're on your computer, you should have your 6 tabs open.
Yep.
Off in the distance.
Currency strength meter, Forex factory. I like to have my Finviz, Liberty. What am I missing? Oh, and Trading View, and of course your broker, right? So, Rahab, what's the first thing you do? You want to go into a market, but you gotta know what's the first step you want to do first before you even decide, you know what, I'm ready to do a trade, but I need to do this first. What do you do first?
I think the first thing I would do is check what is the impact of that stock.
Awesome.
There is a helicopter. It also looks like there's.
So you go to Forex Factory, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's over here.
To check
So
the news.
definitely, if it's
Or health.
yes, that's another thing. So if it's showing red, definitely maybe that's something that you don't want to try at that
Mhm.
moment because you never know which direction it's gonna go.
Yes, you're right. So like
Okay.
now it's about, well, mine says at 9 o'clock there will be New Zealand kind of stories going on, New Zealand and odd. So
Great job.
it's very low impact, so you can still
It's-
trade
yeah.
with them.
Mhm.
But USD was orange, so maybe you might want to do, if anything is attached to USD, you kind of do low risk on that.
Okay. Mhm.
NZD was having news about an hour and a half ago or whatever. I would also not touch NZD because it might be still having effects still at this, towards this hour. So we'll
Yeah.
stay away from NZD. Okay. So anybody have a question on that? We are good on that. Everybody knows red is stay away. Just like your traffic lights, red is stop, orange, you can think about it, and yellow is our green, pretty much. So, all right. Oh, hey, Sarah. Hey, Joe. I haven't seen all these guys. Hey, Dee. So what's next, Regina? What we do after we found out the markets to stay away from?
We go to currency strength.
Awesome. All right, let me refresh that. All right, so what are we seeing going on here? So we said NZD, USD, we are staying away from, kinda, if possible. So what currency pair would you want to go for that is safer at this point in time?
Euro JPY.
I knew you'd pick that one.
I love it.
Okay. Good for you. At least you have a concubine.
Selfie.
Okay, so Euro JPY is gonna be what kind of a trend?
Buy.
Buy. Good. So let's do what do we do next after we figure that out?
Me or somebody else.
Ivy. After we figure out we're going for Euro JPY, what are we doing next, Ivy? Hi, Ivy. Ivy is ignoring us. Okay. Joe.
Hi, I'm so
Oh,
sorry,
she's
Rose.
here. Oh, you've been
I'm
talking.
I was away from my computer.
Oh, it's okay.
And I was
it's
on
okay,
mute.
it's okay. No problem. So
what
I
did
was
you
just asking.
Mhm.
We have decided to go for Euro JPY. So what is the next step after that?
Chatting.
So
your
okay.
Euro JPY here, right?
Yeah, Euro
Yeah.
JPY. So we're gonna go to Liberty or Trading
Mhm.
View, or you don't care?
We can do. You want to catch the 8:31? You can
Well,
do.
we can
I
try
usually go
8:45,
to.
8:30.
Yeah, you can go to Liberty and chat there, or
We can chat here. We just want a nice quickie one.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So let's look for Euro JPY. Ooh. Do we have news in JPY, guys? I forgot. No. Okay.
no.
All right. So, okay, so we need to do what now? So now that we're here,
Look for the strong points.
do we
You need to check
first-
the time frames, right? To make sure that it's all bullish.
yeah,
The three
yeah,
time
yeah.
frames.
Correct. So we all should be having our double blessing checklists in front of you so that you know what to look out for. So it's EJ, and make sure it's EJ up here, and we're gonna go for 1 day. See what it was doing during the day. We can say for the most part during the day it was buying,
Mhm.
still buying. So I mean it sold for a second, but I think it's still buying. So 1 day it's buying. Then you go to the 1 hour.
Mhm.
It was selling.
It's bearish.
Does anybody know why we are saying all this? Anyway, let me just explain. Let me go back to the 1 day. I forgot to explain for people who don't know about it. So we're looking for the EMA. If anything is above, I always confuse EMA and trend line, so forgive me. EMA is this thick green line. Anything above, all the candles above means it's a buy market. If there's anything below, that would be a sell market. So in this aspect, we have a lot of candles in the buy scenario, so we're going for buy. So then we go to the 1 hour. We see our EMA is above the candles and the candles are below. So that means it's a sell, and usually the red line will give it away anyways that it's a sell market, okay? And this is, I think this is the trend line. So this little black line is suggesting that somewhere in the future it's trying to push up. So let's see what happens in the 15 minutes. Okay, it started pushing. So we have a green EMA and our trend line is pushing up. So we know it's buying in the 15-minute time frame.
Mhm.
And then let's see what the 5 minutes is. Woo, it's buying. So we've got a check off of all of them. 4 out of 4 it's buying. So it's a good
3 out
trade
of
to go
4.
for. It was 3?
There's one that was.
Oh, the 1 hour was a sell.
Yeah.
My bad. Yeah.
Mhm.
So yeah, so we do know that it's a good one for buying, because at least we have 3 out of 4. Okay, so the shortcut. Let's see. Oh shit, I'm trying to. Usually when we are buying, we're looking for ceilings. Well, pretty much the greens. Greens are always gonna be the little green Evan Cabrals are usually the buy where the market's been buying. So if you look at this, you'll see there's a green even, red even, red even, red even. So you can tell this is a very strong area. We're looking at it price action wise. So price action basically means where was it buying and selling at in the common areas. So like here, we know this is a strong zone because it doesn't have to be exact. Let me put buy. Okay. So you can tell this is a very strong area. It's sold, sold, sold in this area, sold, 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 and then bought in this area. So it's gonna be highly likely that the market will trend that way. Okay. At least that's what I believe so. So let's keep going. Then what else? We have to look for another strong area. What y'all think about this area? The 239. We have a red even, green even, red even. So we can put another one. Any question? Okay. Look at that. I'm trying to go back to see what it was doing in the past, if there's any area that is also, as you can see this ceiling right here. Yo, can you all see that? Somewhere in August 1st at 11 o'clock, this area, there was a ceiling, and another ceiling here. So we know this is another strong area. Make sense? Sure. So since we're buying, this market is not looking all that hot. Any questions? So what the 15-minute looks like.
So this is gonna be a call, right?
Yeah, we're looking for a call
Okay.
for a buy. It's already passed because you can see in the 15-minute it has come and gone, because we want
Mhm.
it to touch the green line and turn up, the green line and turn up. But as you can tell, it's buying right now. So we kind of missed it, but it's okay. We can still draw it. So in the 15-minute, let's see what it looks like. Okay. This shortcut of ours is not cooperating. Still pushing up. What is going on? Are you sure there's no news in JPY, guys? Currency strength meter. Let's see. It's still down there. Okay.
Yeah.
There's
I
no
don't see
news.
There's no news, but I'm wondering if the
There's something going
situation
on.
with Pelosi in Taiwan, and they didn't want her to be there. So I know the Far East is
Oh.
pretty on edge. So that may be reason why the market's the way it is right now.
Yeah, there gotta be something, because this is not normal. I mean, shoot, it's just pushing up, pushing up. That means the Japanese is losing value. So we have to find. Yeah, it's not gonna work. It's not cooperating because of that freaking news. Might have to get out of Japanese area, guys.
Trying to see USD JPY will be better.
Of course, your freaking husband. I'm sorry, excuse my French. I hate your husband.
The real one will come for
I
you,
think-
Carol.
I do
know
not
she
like
doesn't like
him
USD JPY.
at all.
I don't know
We're
why.
not friends at all. And I don't even know why you're giving me USD JPY. It still has JPY in it. We need something without
Yeah, but the
JPY.
JPY in there is moving.
We don't want JPY. Let's get away from JPY. Let's do maybe.
Come on. There's another.
What? I don't want. I mean, that is not a good one because JPY is already freaking a mess. What is going on with this thing? Let me refresh. Sorry, guys. I'm just trying to find something that actually makes sense right about now. JPY. You see, all the JPYs are ridiculous. 7. I mean, let's do my boyfriend right here.
Which one?
AU. Okay, guys, let's shoot for AU. Let's see what it was doing. What's the currency looking like? AU. So it's a sell market. Let's look at it, what it was doing during the day. We'll do the same thing, of course. It's selling during the day. Please stop me if you get lost. It's selling during the 1 hour. It's selling freaking all day. We are good. 5 minutes selling. Okay. So we're gonna do this one. We just missed a sale. Doggone it. It's okay. All right. So let's see. Let's see. I'm sorry. I'm trying to see what it looks like farther away. Farther away. Did it ever come down to this area at all? You guys, have you watched the video, the go live for today with Kenry? Please make sure you do go and watch it. He really talks a lot about going into the past
Yeah, he did. It
because the market repeats itself eventually. So that's why you're seeing me
was good.
going back to see what if there was any area that touched around here.
Even went back to 2015, right?
I didn't finish watching it. But yeah, that's amazing how the market tends to repeat itself. But anyway, yeah, that was just something I remembered. We got to try and get used to that. So let's draw a line here. Anyways, we have an Ivan Cabral line right there. Green, this green is gonna eventually be a floor so that it can shoot up. We don't know at what point, but now it looks like it's shooting down, more down. Let's just draw all the Ivan Cabrals on this end. What are we gonna do? Oh my God, there's nothing else. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna go to 1 hour instead. Oh shit, I'm trying to open it up a little. I can't even see. Okay, there we go. So we have here. I think this is a good area. Let me change the color so you all can see. The 735 because so there's a floor here, kind of a floor here, kind of a floor here, and it's gonna be a floor here once the market comes to 732. Any question? Doesn't that make sense, guys? But we're looking at the 1 hour. So for the 1 hour, I'm gonna put 735, 068, 735. Then let's see what the 15, where it's hitting. Which we cannot see anything in the 15 unless you really go back. And nobody got time for that. Anyway, I'm messing with you. The 15 and the 1 hour are very close to each other. You can see it's right here. Let's see. Around the same area, let's see. Oh my God, I can't even see. I need glasses with this thing, man. Yo, I can't see anything. Okay, anyway, I'm not gonna go that far. But you get the idea, right? So this is our 1 hour line, which said if this market comes to, if it pushes down, what are we trying to do? We're trying to sell, aren't we? Yeah, it's supposed to be a sell. Okay, so let's see. We can see with the stochastic and RSI, we're not anywhere close because this thing's gotta be up here because we're selling this time. It has to cross down over the red and cross up and down over the red for it to be a sell. And then of course, we checked our 4 time frames, the 5 minute, 15 minute, 1 hour, 1 day, they were all on point. Our EMMA and super trend were all on point. All we're waiting for is timing, and we still haven't gotten an area. We're still trying to find a good area for buying, for selling. I'm just marking the red ones now because red really means sell. It's a good sell area. For a minute there, confused you guys, I'm sorry. You look at the red Ivan Cabrals usually when it's a sell. So you can see that 2 Ivan Cabrals up here, a green one here, and very close to this other green one. So this is a good strong area. And therefore, Hmm. According to my little brain, I would go with this one being the strongest area for selling. So if the market does decide if it goes down all the way and decides to come up in this area, then I know to shoot for anywhere between 0.005 and 130. Why is that? Because there were two Ivanka rolls here, it touched here, it touched here, and it's very close to touching in this area. So that's why I selected that area according to my decision. And then I have another red Ivanka roll that touched here at the beginning of this candle. And if I scroll back, it should be another one that touched the same area somewhere in the past, kind of close. So yeah, that's what I would do. Any question? Yeah, and the market is pushing down, pushing down. Any question? Joe, hi, any question? It's okay, no question is stupid, man. I used to have no clue. We all start somewhere, guys. Please ask. Are you shy? Are people shy? It's okay, we won't bite. Okay. Unless someone's talking and they're muted. So all we're doing is waiting for timing. It may not happen at this time because, as you can tell, it's still in the buy zone. I mean, you know, as far as the green lines, that means it's still a buy area.
Rose,
But
if
we're
you
looking.
look at the chat.
Oh, my bad. You know what? You're full of ish. But it's true.
No, it's
We
not.
all start somewhere, girl, you know.
You guys gotta punish her. She asked a lot of questions when she was new, so it's time for you to ask a lot of questions.
It is okay. Ask the questions, because even me, I'll learn in the process. I don't know everything. Sheesh. I'm a student like y'all. We're supposed to be troubleshooting together. So
So
I
is
don't
this gonna be a buy or a sell?
it's a sell. Remember,
Once we get to the zone.
Yes. Once you get to the 0.005 130 area, and
Mhm.
it's still a sell market, odd being smaller than USD.
Uh-huh.
And if it's in the 30-minute, 45, 1 hour time frame, what else? Do you have your whatchamacallit? Your 10 commandments with you?
No,
You're supposed to go by this. You know, you did not say no. Oh my God.
I did.
This is your Bible. Oh my gosh. Without it, you're as good as not, you know, this is what's gonna pay you. You gotta have it. Print it out.
It's selling.
Once you, huh?
It's selling right now, but it's not a strong area.
Should I refresh or something?
Go ahead and refresh.
Then I'm gonna lose all my freaking data. I need.
Choose your hard.
You're full of it. I swear.
You can just click on the side.
Oh, down
Once
here.
click on the AUD USD that is highlighted, and then you
There we go.
refresh it.
I got it. Thank you.
You see how it's selling? It's not very strong though. It's not in the. It's selling.
Yeah,
at
I wouldn't sell it. I mean, I wouldn't go in at all.
8.49. Yeah.
Yeah. We want to go with the double blessing strategy. So I mean, for the technical people, they can go in and buy for 1 minute. I mean, to sell for 1 minute, but we want to wait till it's coming like this, you know, this over the red and crossing down, over the red and crossing down. Preferably, that's when you're almost sure that you're gonna win that trade. When all or at least 8 out of 10 of these commandments are there.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you see, if somebody had entered at this point in time, the market is now starting to push up. So that's why we like being patient, and I was never patient. I think some of y'all know me. I still struggle with the patience, but we have to learn to be patient, to follow the instruction. Otherwise, you end up losing.
I took
You did?
a baby one at 949.
Ah,
It's not a strong area, so don't even.
nah, yeah.
It's not a strong area. I just know that I was gonna make it, but I only took $50.
Yeah.
Yeah. And
I mean, either way, it's a selling market right now. So
Yeah.
chances are you would still make some money. It's just that it can switch up on you real
yeah,
quick.
exactly. Yeah. So I cleared, but that's bad behavior. You shouldn't be learning to do that.
Yeah, very bad. Don't listen to
Very bad behavior.
Don't listen to her. Follow double blessing strategy at all costs.
Yeah.
Even if it means waiting till the following day for it to get to your area. You know, there's a time I waited for like, oh Lord, it came like 3 days later, the alert, and I'm like, oh, I even forgot the alert was there, and I got my money. So yeah, sometimes you just have to be patient.
What do you think about EJ?
We were scared of JPY being stupid. What is it, EJ?
Does it have?
It's having crap
it's
going
falling
on
right now.
Why is it that
Oi!
mine is
It's
mine
going.
is not calling?
It's calling right now as we speak. EJ.
Mine is not calling.
Oh, it's asleep. Can you?
What liberty do you have? I have refreshed
Can
it.
you refresh?
I have refreshed. Let me refresh from the screen then. I mean from the page itself. Because now I'm even doubting my whatchamacallit, my liberty. EJ.
Mine is selling too.
Yeah, we're all selling.
selling?
How you
Yeah.
buying?
Mine is buying.
Mine is buying.
Mine is
Mine
buying.
is selling.
It's buying like
We are
buying.
all selling.
What the?
See?
Here I'm with you. Mine is buying.
Mine is buying, and
So
I
there's
am
something.
about to clear.
First of all, are you using the 15-minute time frame or using the 5-minute time frame?
I'm using 5 minutes.
Yours is in 5 minutes?
Yeah.
Let me see. 15, it might be buying. Let me see. It's buying in 15. Are you sure not in the 15-minute?
Yeah,
Even
let me
in
share.
5.
I'm gonna show you my screen real quick.
Yeah,
You
this
stop
is.
sharing for a
I'm in
second?
5. No, let me stop. Mine is in 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Show us your voodoo one. Let's see. Y'all are having weird ones.
It wasn't that strong, but it still sold.
How?
I don't know. It sold.
And it's 5 minutes.
Yeah, it's 5 minutes. It sold, and I
What?
took, yeah, and I
Oh.
took it and I won.
But she's doing
That is-
EJ. Weren't you doing EU?
Hmm?
Who? Me?
No,
doing-
Janie's in EJ.
Yes. Wasn't I in EJ?
No, weren't you US?
No, no, yeah, before I was in AU, but she started saying that EJ was buying. So I switched to EJ, and according to my screen, EJ
Yeah, it was different.
is selling.
So I
So I'm
cleared.
like, what the heck, you know? And it's still selling. In fact, it's selling crazily on
Oh,
my end
weird.
right now. Yeah,
Yeah, 'cause
that I
just
don't understand why.
I don't know.
Hold that. No, I don't think that would affect. Being an hour behind me, that
Let me
shouldn't
refresh
affect.
mine. Maybe mine is the one that has issues. I don't know.
Yeah, you all refresh and see. Maybe it's that's very strange. We should all be having the same thing. That is very strange.
Yeah, mine is a call. Okay. Sorry for messing you up.
Yeah, you messed it up. Messed it up.
Mine too was showing buy. It was
So
buy.
right now, is it still showing buy or sell?
Yeah, bye.
Hiya. You're even making
Yeah,
me.
AJ is buying really good.
What
Yeah.
the heck?
It's 37.7.
I am 781.
Log out and
Yes.
log back in and see and refresh.
Oh my goodness, that is scary. If y'all are having different, let me see.
Yeah, I cleared your UJ that you don't like.
You did?
Mhm.
That's because probably I was seeing my own, my liberty was showing me something else that you're
Yeah.
seeing different. Okay, I've refreshed. I'm still selling.
Wow.
And I'm at 5 minutes. Let me.
Rose, you're not alone. Even mine is selling.
Really?
For real?
Mhm.
See, that's what I'm
And I've
wondering.
refreshed. I just refreshed.
And you're on market trap?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's strange.
Mine
come
is
out and go
selling
back in.
now.
Yeah, I'm trying to also come out and do it like a fresh, which I thought I did. I don't understand what the problem is. Liberty.
Yeah, mine is selling now.
Yeah, mine is selling now. too.
Oh, now it's selling, huh?
Mhm.
After you've made your money. Mine is still saying 37.7.
Yeah, and the strength, mine is still saying 37.7 too.
Yeah, nothing's
changed.
budged. And I have
And
a
then
feeling that doesn't look right at all. It should have moved at least. It should have
Yeah.
changed.
Is your count down there though? Because mine isn't. Like the minute countdown. The way
What
it shows you
minute?
5.
Oh,
It's not showing. It's
Yeah,
moving, but
it's
it's not showing
not.
anything. It's not counting down.
What the? Yeah, it's not.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, sorry to change courses. Can you look at EU real quick and see?
Y'all are just
the
making
format.
money and us we're fighting with our freaking liberty.
Can you
EU?
see if it's a put for you guys? EU?
It's a buy.
It's a put.
Mine is a buy.
Ah,
What is
There's something
yours?
wrong with the strategy. Because it's not even counting down, even EU.
Yeah. What?
how can we be logged in at it must be an East Coast East Coast West thing.
That's what I'm wondering. What the heck?
Must
But
be
even the
it's
numbers are
Coast,
not changing.
East Coast problem.
It's a East Coast
Yeah.
problem.
It must be. Sheesh. Let me see Hourglass if it will change.
That's weird. I've never seen that before.
I've never. In fact, if you hadn't mentioned that, I would have been thinking I'm still good.
Yeah, EU is selling. It's not very good. So you can, if you want to take it, you can take a little tiny. It's not very safe though. So it's very
That
risky.
is, imagine we are still buying with EU.
Yeah, abort EU. If you have not got any, don't get it. It's misbehaving. Leave it alone.
Man, that is very, very strange.
The good thing is, so what are you showing? EU, you're showing what? A buy?
EU, let me see. EU is telling me buy.
EU is telling you buy. What's the strength? Is it 37?
514.
Huh?
Oh, okay. Oh, my bad. The strength is 3786.
Okay. The good news is,
Uh-huh.
I mean, if it's showing buy, you just stay away from it. Right? Because you know
Okay.
it's supposed to be a put. So even though they are showing different numbers, the logic still remains the same. If it's right now, you cannot be taking it, it's not putting.
What did you say what is your number on Liberty itself? What's the price
The price
on EU?
on EU is 5. So the one displaying on the alert panel is 547.
Uh-huh.
But if it were to buy, it would it were to put, it would put at 557 on Liberty.
Okay, so trading view is fine.
So trading view is what?
Trading view is telling me it's gonna put at 570 something right now.
Okay, yeah, there's always a little variance. Yeah, so
So
it might actually put at in another 5 minutes
yeah,
or so.
but definitely if like now we're having issues like this, Ivy, you might want to compare both Liberty and Trading View and just chart on Trading View.
Yep, I'm looking at Trading View.
Yeah, I think Trading View is more reliable right now.
Mm-hmm.
You never reached. What they said the AU was gonna be? Oh, of course it was definitely wrong because I had a different number in Liberty, right? That's annoying. But yeah, so we got a swipe alert, guys. Euro GBP. Let's go there while we got 2 minutes to look at it real quick. So Euro GBP is from a Latino trader. So let's go Euro GBP. I'm looking at Euro GBP from my Trading View.
65. Oh, it might be a while. It's gonna be a full circle.
765, 775 for a put. Let's see, GBP what? Oh, where you at?
GBP. So right now it seems to be at
Okay,
599.
Euro. What the hell is my Euro GBP? I cannot see for shush. Euro. Dang, where did it go?
Ooh-wee.
Euro GBP. There we go. Okay. So right now it's telling us we go for a put when it gets to 735. Dang, that's far away.
Yeah, it looks like it has to go all the way up.
Yeah. So yeah. So that one is something new. Someone would have to wait for.
Yeah.
So you see, Regina, like this one, it will not happen in the next 5 minutes. Chances are highly likely. So the thing is to come to Trading View and putting an alert. You come here, you click on alert, and you come here and type in. Okay, he says 083765. Okay, and then all you're doing here is you're going to sell, so you remember what you're supposed to be clicking on, and then it will alert you. you create. It will alert you when it gets to this point.
Okay.
So you don't have to be sitting in front of the computer waiting. Oh, it's taking forever. Just put your alarm and get out, and just expect a message either on your email or however you've done your alerts. I believe you can do it. I don't know how you can. I can't remember whether you set it up. I don't know how you set it up, but it's somewhere around here. I think. Go to your settings. I'm sure it will tell you something. I don't know. But yeah, there should be a way to set your alarm to come to your email. And then actually, you know what? Because you log into TradingView with your email, it will automatically send to your email. I don't think you even need to do all that. It will come automatically to your email. All right, people. Any more questions before we call it a night?
EU is coming.
What?
EU.
EU?
Yeah, it might sell.
EU. Let's see what it's doing. Mm,
574 on market trap. It's probably,
you're doing a water sell, right?
yeah.
So when it gets
Like it might
to,
come maybe in the next minute. If it doesn't do it in the next minute, then it's not.
yeah,
Because it's the
I
line.
think it will.
Go into Liberty and look, check it out. It's so beautiful right now.
The hourly is
You said
gonna,
574, Jen?
Yeah,
about-
it looks like
Mhm.
it looks like that's where it might do it.
It's already at 586 right now.
Because if you look at the
No, mine is not working.
oh yeah, yours is far. Oh, I think it's going now.
It's,
Yeah,
you
it's
better go
down.
get
It's
some money.
582.
You look at
Well,
what,
it hasn't, you have to wait for it to cross down.
yeah,
to be
it's
sure that
crossing
it will
down for me.
cross down. Oh, it's already crossed down for you?
It's well, it's laying there. You see what you want to see.
Yes, you have to wait for it to cross down. Let me see.
Starting
Where's
to cross down.
EU? EU, where's EU?
Oh yeah, it's gonna
Uh,
sell. Oh my god.
Mhm.
Carol, are you seeing that? What's that?
What?
The put?
Yeah.
Okay.
Y'all had better have taken it. I don't know what you're waiting for. It's 9 o'clock and it's gonna push down.
Yeah.
Make your money.
You don't have to tell me twice.
Yeah.
Get oh, take it.
Oh, look at that.
Jesus.
So you see, guys, sometimes even there's if you just come to TradingView and you've done your 4 checks, you know, the 5 minute, 15 minute, 1 hour, 1 day, then you come and look at a trade like this one. You see it's, you know, it's a sell market already, and you're seeing, oh, it's 9 o'clock, it's 8:45, oh, it's 8:30, and you see the stochastic and RSI are in the red. Girl,
Take it.
just take it. Chances are
Yeah.
you're gonna get it, because not every time you have time to sit down to charge. You know, just make an educated guess, because you already know the principles. You have your 10 commandments with you. You already know all this aligning. I just don't have time to chart.
Wow.
Yep. Yep.
And it comes with it just comes with practice. So I know
Yeah.
right now it's a little scary for you to take it just like that, but you know.
Yeah, practice.
So yeah, just
Demo.
always make sure it crosses. If it doesn't cross, there's a small chance of it going back. So
And make sure you're practicing on your demo, please.
don't be like us when we were brand new.
Please do not. You'll be
We learned
crying,
the hard way.
burning accounts. Don't do that. We learned the hard way, and we don't want you guys learning the hard way. So practice till you get tired of practicing, until you're confident. You're like, okay, I got this. I already know my 10 commandments. Let's go. So guys, any more questions? It's time to go to bed. Not bed, but yeah, I'm ready to go to bed, but we're done. Any questions? Dee has been quiet.
Hey,
I think I only
by
had
the
her
way-
speak one time.
By the way, Dee said that you have not met. She's in your area, so you girls need to organize so you meet.
Where's she at?
Virginia.
Oh Lord, Virginia is doggo. It depends on what part of Virginia.
Wow, it's closer than Omaha is.
Yeah, true.
I think she's a distance away though.
That's far. Virginia is no
Yeah.
joke. It's big.
Mhm.
Girl,
Look, where I live to Baltimore is enough to kill me. It's like an hour away,
That's
and I
it?
feel like I'm dying just driving a whole hour.
come on.
Yeah, that's yeah.
Mm-mm. You guys need to organize.
You can stop recording, girl. Whoever was recording.
You have the,
Me?
yeah.
I didn't record.
Or you're the host. Give it back to me then.
Yeah, let me hold on. Where you at?
Jenny, you took that thing right now? Right here, right now, that amount? Jeez.
Yeah.
What did she do?
You. When I was screaming over you, I took 2 trades.
You know what?
Am I?
Oh,
host?
wait. You must be.
I'm
No,
not.
you're not. Sheesh. Hold on. Let me see.
Yeah, I took it right
Uh,
now. And I'm waiting for it to take it again because it's about to go. Just waiting for it to cross down. I swear. It's crossing down right now again.
For
Is it?
real?
Yeah, it's crossing down right now.
Let me see what you're talking about.
Ooh, Jesus.
Ooh,
Okay, it changed its mind.
it's
As soon
messing
as
with
it
us. That's the
crosses and I know
problem.
it's going, I'm getting in.
It's messing
All the
with
money we
us.
didn't make last week because of the stupid brokers.
I don't know what. Yeah, what's with that?
Yeah,
But
yeah.
even